feel like I'm losing my mind because I just filmed my journaling card. This is going to be sticky notes and sticker sheets, but I just filmed my journaling card, and then whenever I was going through everything, found a bunch of cards. So I think there was already an Andrea one in this. So we'll just put those in some D-stash orders. Were any of these the same? No. So we're gonna put those in there. These are like, I have like a bunch of like small cards. I don't know if I'll do a D-stash video of those. I'm just gonna put these in here because I just saved 2 of those. So I'm gonna try and be a little bit more. These are cute. I'll just keep those. I didn't keep these. This is a Jasenia one, so I'll probably keep that. These are like large postcards. I'm probably just gonna put these with the cards because I probably won't use them as like journaling. I don't know why these random stickers are in here, but I'll just put them in there. I literally don't know what this is. More stickers. Oh, these were like my custom that I had made of myself. I guess I'll save those. These are cute. I'm actually gonna send this to Kidnesha, so I feel like she'll like that. Let's see. This would be a cute one to do like a little theme. Should be cute. I'm going to save these ones too. So I'm going to save all these and then put them in their respective journaling card album. And then I have stickers. All right, let's go through my sticky notes because this is going to be like a whole different thing. So these are going to be added to my D-stash pile. So sticky notes is a little bit of another. These are all problem areas for me. That's why they have full-blown videos for them. So let me go ahead and pull out everything. But I feel like for sticky notes, I can be a little bit... Oh, and apparently there's washi cards in here. I can be a little bit more selective on what I keep. I do like having some sticky notes in my desk, which maybe I'll pull those out too, just so we can kind of see like what's going on. I could put this with my, I said in my last video, I had like a little stack of just like luxury things. Oh my gosh, so many just like cards. So I think I'm going to pull out all of my sticky notes that I have in my drawer. So then I can just pull out a couple to keep. I have those. I have these. The ones with my face on them I mostly use to write notes for work stuff. Like I was filling them out and putting them on order. So I'm probably going to keep those. So those are all the sticky notes I have. So yeah, let me just take a quick little thumbnail while they're all looking a mess, but we're going to go through these. We're going to do some decluttering. We're going to try at least to do some decluttering. Let me take a pic. Cute. My Planet Hannah shopping list there. Okay, so let's start with these. These are good for like writing on. Maybe we should sort them so that I can see like how much I have going on. Oh my God. These are so old. I don't know, they might actually have some like sheets off of them, but I feel like they'd be fun to throw into like D-stash boxes because these are like just so old. Like not as an actual item, but just as like a freebie on top. Those would be cute. Okay, so let's separate them by piles of sizes. I don't think I need any of that. Nope. These are all the same. This one's really cute. Oh my God, we'll put that one in the D-stash pile too. Somebody will think those are very cool. I also have a bunch of like cloth and paper ones I'm going to put in a side. I'm not going to keep these like little sticky notes because I just have no use for them. It's like a random piece of garbage. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Cloth and paper, cloth and paper, cloth and paper. These are like ginormal notepads, which I could use. There's this weekly task sheet. I think I might send this to Jessica. I wonder if Jessica could use this. I feel like it's just like so teeny tiny. Or does Kirsten use something like this? I'll take it to work and see if Kirsten wants it because I feel like Kirsten might use something like that. I feel like I have some like for recent remembering. So we have tall ones. These are really not like usable sticky notes. I don't really have like a good rhyme or reason of what's going on here. So I'm not going to use these. Maybe I should just be sorting them because I don't know really what I'm doing. So, this is kind of overwhelming. So I feel like I like the idea of these like transparent ones, but I don't use them because I feel like they're a pain because you have to like find something to write with them. So I have some of mine. Just don't know when I'll use them. And then like these print impression ones I probably won't use. These Simply Gilded ones I won't use. These are like from my shop, from One Ton in a Million. I'm just gonna be really select with what I keep here. Because I have so many to pick from too that I probably just won't even use these all. These are like cute, but again, probably won't use them. There's so many. This one I do like. This one's from Cloth and Paper. Should zoom you in a little since they're tiny stuff. So I like how much like writing space there is on this one. So I'm going to keep this one. Let's see. This one I like. There's a lot of writing space on these ones. We're going to do a quick little go through and then I'll go through and declutter some more. I have these little note cards. I'm actually going to take these to work for like me to write like notes on if I want to write a note in an order or something. Highlight of my day. This one's cute, but I also don't know when I would use it. Note to self. These are from my shop. I don't even know if these are used, but we'll just put them in the pile. This one's me and Marg, which is really cute. I love the missile notes. This one doesn't have enough writing space for me. And a lot of the ones from my shop, I just like have one from like just wanting to have one for like archive, but I just don't feel like I need it. Like this is cute, but I don't need it. I like this one's cute. I don't think I'm going to save any of the like clear ones just because I feel like it's just not a fad I can get into right now. These are just like Christmas themed ones. I'm just going to get rid of all those. I'm honestly not keeping a lot of sticky notes. Honestly, a little proud of myself right now. Like this one has a lot of room to write. This one has a lot of room to write. I'm keeping all the ones with my face on them because again, I'm just going to take them to work because that's where I would use them. I like this rainbow, but it's not like a real like usable sticky note, like space wise, but I like the look of it. Can I keep one just for the look of it? I think I can keep one just for the look of it. So those are the tiny ones in my pile. I think I'll keep these because I like the size to like jot things down. It's kind of like scratch paper and I love scratch paper. I usually just save like, if I have my plans, I print them out so that I can use that for my reference for making my scripts and then filming my video. And then I will take it and then turn it around and then that's scratch paper. Then I use like all the paper because I'm like not about like wasting it. See, these ones are really good for also writing on. Okay, I think I'm going to keep one of these. And then I'm going to just toss all those in there. They're so cute though. I don't need them though. I think that's like a good amount to keep. And then the bigger ones. And then let's go through these washi cards because they're in here. Oh, I have all these like cloth and paper ones. So these are like transparent, so I won't use them. I like these circle ones. These are cute. Like I feel like I'll save these in case I want to do like an aesthetic setup. Yeah, I'm going to keep these for aesthetic, but maybe I'll take them out of the plastic because I just feel like, I don't know, I don't really need the plastic. And it's kind of like a bulky plastic. Like as far as like having this like hang tab on it. Which I don't know, like do they sell stuff like where they hang it? Maybe. I don't know. I kind of want to get rid of these, but also, I don't know, like how sticky are they? Mildly sticky. We will just keep them for now. If I don't use them by the next time I do a declutter, somebody yell at me and tell me I don't need them. Oh my gosh. Okay. Cards. have a lot. Do I use them? No. So let's narrow it down. So we have these ones more with love ones. We have ones from my shop. We have the glitter ones. This like gift card. I don't know if the gift card on like the number on the back means anything. I don't think it does. I should look into that. I don't need that. I kind of like these like fast pass ones just because I feel like they're like a collector's item at this point. So I might keep those. What is this? Oh, magical extras. We'll keep these. I'm going to probably, I'll just keep them in here. Because I ever save like hotel cards, they're probably going to go in here too. These are like washi holders. Remember when all this was like the rage? Maybe it still is the rage and I just don't know about it. So I'm just going to keep these couple. I really thought I had more. Maybe not. So I feel like this is a good amount of sticky notes to keep. And I need to refill my work area sticky notes. So let's open this up. I'm going to still keep them in here. So I'm going to do the big ones on the bottom. And then as far as the ones I want to keep in here, I'm just going to keep this random piece of paper because I'll use that like immediately. And then I'll just grab like one of these. And when I run out, I'll just grab another one. So I'll just grab this one actually because I was using this one. Well, actually I was using this one the latest. So when I run out in my desk, I'll just grab another one. And then same thing goes with these. I'll just grab, is there anyone that's like the most done? Maybe this one. I'll grab these two for variety. And then whenever I run out, oh my God, that fell. I'll just go back in and grab another one. And then I'm keeping one for looks, some of these washi cards, and then these like aesthetic cloth and paper ones. But I feel like that's like definitely a nice little pare down. Honestly, I could probably move it into a smaller bin, but we'll get to that when we get to that. Then let's go through, because this is only 12 minutes. So let's go through these sticker sheets. It might be a case where I find more later and we'll just declutter that in a different video. But let's go through these. So I really like anything. The thing is well, I don't know. It might be actually easy. What is this from? Oh, Jeffree Star. We don't need that. Here we go. These are so cute. The like Sonia Stegeman ones. We're keeping those. Oh my gosh. Keeping these. See, I have like little sticker sheets then, and I'm realistically never going to use those. Even Jess, I don't think would really use these. Maybe I'll just send them to her because I think she'll appreciate. And then I feel like it's like, what are the odds that somebody gets this that plays Animal Crossing? And then also when it comes to these stickers, I like pulling them out whenever I have, like, if I'm writing a note to a teacher, like with like a gift or something for the kids, or these ones I don't really like because they're vinyl, and then also the background's not white, which I don't like the way this looks on like a piece of paper, so probably just get rid of those ones. Or if I'm doing like Christmas cards, I'll like pull one out, but like all of these I don't have any use for. I really love these, but again, I don't have any use for. But I think I might put them with my vinyls because I feel like that's like, it's not really a sticker sheet. I would just use the big one probably. And I'd probably use it the same way I would use a vinyl to like decorate a dashboard. So like these would be really cute for like Valentine's Day. These I'd more likely probably decorate like a dashboard with, but they're just so big that I'm just going to keep them in here. Again, these would be really cute to decorate anything with. Like this is even cute as like a little seal for a Valentine. I'm going to send these to Kitnish Jess because if anybody's going to use them, it's going to be her. Okay, I'm going to get rid of those. I just love Irene's bows, and then I have a bunch of my own bows. Which again, I've used those for everything, or even just I'm like, I want to make like a box a little snazzy. I'll just pull out some bows and just like a box I'm sending to somebody and just throw bows all over it and just call it a day. We'll put some of the bows used in there. We don't need all of them. But like some of them we do, but I don't need this many. Oh my gosh. Marg's bows. Remember when bows were also a thing? Are they still a thing? I don't know, like bow seals. Because, like, what was I doing with all these? But also, I'm like, I don't want to get rid of them. Any of the ones that I have extra from my own shop, I will though. The other ones just seem like too special. I probably won't use the rose version of that, if I'm being honest with y'all. But like, why do I feel like I also need to keep them all? Cause like, but also like, do we like, when did this many like colorways of this come out? And when did I buy all of them? I have like 4 I don't need, but I think the rest I have like 2 of each. I don't need those. These are so cute. The little like gingham ones, adorbs. I don't think I really got rid of like that much. These would be really cute for Valentine. I mean, for Halloween stuff, which I actually just printed like custom ones for the kids because I didn't realize I had them. Again, I'm going to just send these ones, the Animal Crossing ones, to Goodness Jess. I need the post office ones. I'll keep the Kylie Cosmetics ones though because these are kind of cute. I don't need them. I'm never going to use them. Okay. Oh, and then I have these random sticker sheets in here. I don't know. I just don't know when I'm going to use these. I like that your pal Mickey Mouse. I feel like I would use this again, like in a setup. Y'all can have a me. Have a me. Because I'm sure that's exactly what you need, right? So I think maybe... I just feel like I'm like, these are just not a vibe right now as far as like, it's just taking up a lot of space. But like an awkward amount of space, but also room to grow, question mark. So let's also move the Post-its into the smaller one. I feel like it's fine, right? Is it fine? That doesn't fit perfectly? I don't know. So let's put these in here. That's gonna fit so nice. This. And I have all these. Do I need to keep them, y'all? I'm never going to use them. Let's be real. I'm not going to use them. I just use sticky notes functionally for like work-related tasks. So that, my friends, is everything for the organization and declutter. I can't even pick up the amount of stuff. So hold on. So stickers, I feel like a good amount, right? I mean, I didn't do as well with the stickers as I did with the sticky notes, but I'm just like being really, 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 really realistic. And then the D-stash pile from this is kind of hefty. Hold on, that's not a D-stash. This is a lot. I might have to break it into 2 giveaways, TBH. And I'll like separate it not as evenly as I can, as far as like, I'll get 2 boxes and like put around half of each in. So like, cause look, that's a lot. That's a lot of stuff. Like this could actually be the thumbnail because y'all won't know till the end that this is just the declutter that I'm taking the picture of, but I'm pretty satisfied with this declutter. I hope you liked this video, and I think that means that the giveaway will be with the vinyls, which I feel like is going to be a very, very long video that I am not filming today. But I hope you like it, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.